In this video, I'll show you how to download Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch. So it's quite easy. Step number one is to go on the home screen where I am right now. Press the home button. Once you're over here, you see this icon is the third one. It's like a shopping bag. It's a red shopping bag. Click on it. It's the Nintendo eShop. Click on it again to launch it. Select your user. You may have multiple ones, but select the user that will have the Fortnite game installed. Once the Nintendo eShop opens, you need to select the first option, which is search/browse. Then you need to tap over here where it says enter keyword and simply type Fortnite. Press search. Fortnite is free, so you don't have to worry about not having a credit card or something like this. You will need to have a Nintendo account linked to your Nintendo Switch to be able to download it. Over here you see Fortnite. Click on it. Then click on the right side where you see free download. Go down this page and then select free download. Then you can select close, select OK, OK, and Fortnite will be added. Now the game is not downloaded yet. You're gonna have a status bar under it, and right now it didn't even start it. Since I have one Wi-Fi bar, it will take a while. But if you click on the game that is downloading, it will also tell you how much time is left. But overall, this is it. This is how you get Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch. Comment down below if it worked, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.